Well, I can't see it all, so I don't know what it looks like. But it's really not horrible. That's pretty high. Dormant vegetable garden. Thank God. Otherwise everything would have drowned it. So, there's me boots. Dry. Feeding them under their little awning there. Otherwise they'd have, well, no feet because it would have washed away. And they're not really very wet. Feathers are dry underneath, so they might not look like wet rats, but they're really not. Aw, my bush got a little smushed. Hi, Sweet Pea. She's a good hunter. She probably loves this. I mean, this is crazy, because this is like not an area that gets this much water. It doesn't back up over here. And back to the porch. Not too bad. That's the base of the house. So it's lattice. You can figure out how, I don't know what that is. Maybe 4 inches or less. It's under the porch. Now, I don't think you can see how deep it is, but it's deep. I have baby voice this morning because my little boy is kind of sick, my little doggy. So I talk like that to him, and then I get stuck there and I can't get out. Oh yeah, it's wet all the way back in there. All right, well, I have to continue to take a survey, but I don't have to take you with me. Hope everyone is safe.